Good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everybody. 2023. Sheesh. Big things to come. Yeah, Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. So this is the year that everybody in chat gets consistent, makes some money, escapes the matrix. Let's get it. Alright. Yeah, I did the buzz cut, Jared. But I got a bit of a fade, that's all. Oh, yeah. Okay, so the breakdown sent to the Discord looks like things have pretty much played out. We had these gold buys yesterday. Pretty nice there. Tapped into 1850, one of the targets given on the Discord breakdown. And then we saw quite a nice rejection. Formed support here on the hourly. Rode back up to 1850. Strong rejection again, but forming support here. 4 hour looks like we are still moving bullish. Daily looks like we may just fill the wick at this point. Overall, this range right here, so I've already marked my chart up. Buys above 1848. So this range right here is a little bit tricky. Alright, we've got strong rejections to this area. So I'm going to want to see us break above 1848, 1849. This resistance here on the 15 minute. I want a strong closure above there to be looking for further buys. And then let's look to the left here for potential targets. $18.56 looks pretty solid. We've also got this level at $18.51 we'll have to be careful of. Bars above 1849 are going to be safest for me once we clear this rejection area, and I believe this will be a no trade range right here. I know that we formed support here on the 30 minute, and you know we could potentially fill the rest of this range, but it's not all. I don't think that would be the highest probability trade here. Your hourly closed bearish. We are in this rejection area, like I say. I want to avoid this and rather be taking buys above 1849 to target 1851 and then runners up into 1856, 1857. DXY yesterday, very interesting. We had a very strong move up here, so stronger dollar, close bullish on the daily here. Looks like we have maybe found support here on the hourly. So if we can get some dollar strength this morning pre-London, sells below 1845 do not look too bad to me. I was hoping that we would, for sells, that this 4 hour would close bearish. If we are looking on the 4 hour, safest sells will actually be below 1836. Once we've cleared the support area, looking to target 1830. But if we could get a closure below 1845, so below the support right here, this is very, very clean traffic moving down. Previous 4 hour low at 1843,500, breaks below there. I'd say we've got at least 17 pips here, 30 pip targets, and then potential runners all the way into 1830. What's up, everybody? Good morning, welcome back. So for now, I'm just going to mark up potential sells below 1840. We'll just keep an eye on that. $18.45, sorry. And then obviously more sells below 1836. Nice clean range moving back down here to 1830. Let's have a look at GJ. So my higher time frame breakdowns, I was looking for us to come down into 155 in and around this weekly support right here, 155,500. So we've tapped into that quite nicely. Weekly candle, no top wick. Alright. Based off the daily, we have formed a nice top wick here on this current daily candle, and we have come down and flipped bearish. So it looks good here for a wick fill to the downside. If we are looking on the hourly, 30 minutes and so on, we can see that we are just in a range here. And to the left we can see very nice clean traffic moving down. So I'm going to be looking for sells below 156. And then if we can break out of this range to the upside, we could see price come up and form that top wick on the weekly. So I'll be looking for buys above 157. There's this level that I haven't marked up right here. So we could see price react to this level. If we do get a breakout of resistance, so a breakout of 157, we could still see price react to this previous low and continue moving down. But I mean, this is just really clean traffic. If we do break above 157, I think there's a very high probability we tap into 157 for 440, let's say. So that's about 30 pips. And then if we do break above 157 440, I'll be looking to move up to 158. So potential runners there. So if we are taking buys above 157, I'd be looking at this as a break-even point basically. Gold going to retest 1850, then drop to 1830 support. Not too sure, but if it does, we will react accordingly. Hey bro, what's the analysis for today? Yeah, we've been doing analysis now for the last 10-15 minutes, so you can just rewind there. But the plan is here on screen. What's up, Stefan? So as of late, I've been referring to the DXY just to get an idea what dollar is doing. And I believe that it is helping with the gold, just understanding sentiment. And then the Japanese currency index. It's also just nice to have a look at when trading GJ. So what I can see here is we have quite a important area at 76, where we can see we tapped into just before Christmas. We've tapped into this level again. Looks like on the 4-hour we formed resistance here. So if we do see a reaction here on the Japanese index, we see price come down. Alright, that would make sense then for GJ bars, because we're seeing yen weakness. That's what we've been playing on most of 2022. Even though we were very rangy here on the higher time frames. Alright, we did get to take advantage of these nice moves to the upside every time we retested these previous key areas. Who is Ash in Discord? My guy, I don't know. It's a public Discord. You know, I do my best to keep things in order. But you know, you're gonna get these guys who, yeah. Good question, billionaires boy. Dollar index and gold both rise yesterday, had me messed up. Is a little bit confusing. Sometimes, you know, these things are not going to correlate one to one. That's why I just used it as confluence. So what I did was I understood that, okay, we are seeing some dollar strength, and once we tapped into 1850, I was expecting a reaction from that level, but seeing DXY so bullish, you know, that just added so much more confluence to the sells. So I didn't get in from 1850, but I caught a bit of the continuation here. And then yes, we moved up again at New York Open, and then tapped into 1850 again, had an extremely strong reaction, and then I took sells again. I reduced my lot size and started winning. Exactly, you need to be using a lot size which you are comfortable with, because if you're over risking, you become emotional and you start to make emotional decisions. So when you are using risk which you are comfortable with, you are able to think more clearly and make the correct decisions. Now, billionaires, boy, come on. Your guess is as good as mine. What's up, Jared? couldn't you? Oh, no, he's not. You know, questions are good, but at some point you have to start using your brain. Anyway. Yeah, we might get a closure above here on the 30-minute. Is Wayne in the Discord? Yeah. Trade Tycoon. Hey, what's up, Wayne? Yeah, how are you? You're quite soft there. For a while, and then what happened? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I can't really relate, but I've got little sisters, so I know that they can be a handful. Yeah. It's too late for Wayne. He's committed. It's for life now. Can't do anything with them. But at least Wayne is a trader now, so you know his kids are going to be driving GTIs to school and everything. They're gonna have a good life. Yeah. Sheesh. Have you ever done trading based on just support and resistance and supply and demand? Yeah, this is our trade, just support and resistance, or supply and demand. Yeah, I think it's just different names for the same thing, really. Have you been trading for a while now? Live? Yes, started in April last year. So yeah, just less than a year. But I mean, I would say last year made a lot of progress. Ended up having a brilliant year. We can go back and have a look at the trade history from last year. So last year I was on a funded account, doing challenges, scaling my trading, going to bigger accounts on the funded company. So obviously I'm just being completely transparent. I don't have MetaTrader history all in one place. But you know, every trade taken on stream is right here on the spreadsheet, and obviously you can go back and have a look. So yeah. So I didn't actually fill in these. This is from the 15th, and I actually missed a trade here, so there was an extra 50 pips. So we can call it 2,677 pips for the year. I'll fill in these later. But yeah, I took a loss there for FOMC on the 15th, 50 pip loss. And then had two more trades that we entered, so I took a 50 pip win and a 110 pip win, so I ended up basically 110 pips for that day. I'll edit this accordingly. Because it's shit. Yeah, I was also a comma or two could have helped there. Yeah, no, Forex. I'm surprised how many people know about Forex actually. It's quite a well-known thing these days. You know, every other person sees it on the Instagram Explore. Someone posting profits. Then they get scammed and then they never want to hear about it again. So yeah, in terms of the trade history, like I mentioned, I don't have all history in one place on MetaTrader, but this year I am looking to trade a live account. So I deposited $6,000 end of November, and the idea was actually to deposit 10, but I thought, let me just see what I can do with 6,000 and then start fresh with whatever I can grow to at the beginning of this year. So yeah, account's basically sitting on 12 right now. As you can see, gain 111%. Nice, consistent. Just chipping away. I haven't sorted out my MetaTrader for my laptop, but we'll get that up on stream soon as well. So yeah, like I say, started this account end of November. So I only had a couple trades here in November, actually ended up down 4%. But that's not a full month's worth of data, so not too worried about that. December, really nice returns. And then, yeah, yesterday had a banger. Sheesh. December popped off. The only thing was, if you go on the daily here on gold, like this annoys me. Basically barcoding on the daily. There was plenty of opportunity and volume on the lower time frames, but direction and fundamental drivers were just not really there. But there's no reason you couldn't have taken advantage of some of these moves, for sure. I mean, this was like a 200 pip range. More. Your 30-minute resistance is actually at 1847. So I mean, if we close like that and get a nice bottom wick tapping back into 1847 before we break the highs, I will look at buy stops here. Yeah. Sheesh. Sheesh. Coming now, eh? Oh shit. Imagine. What's up, Hectorino? That's crazy. That's like $10 for a shot. I wonder what shots actually go for in America. Not that I care really. Hardies. Yeah, that's big risk. That's extremely high risk. But I mean, you know exactly what you did wrong there. And the thing is, sometimes you can make money doing the wrong things or having bad habits. So you have to just be honest with yourself. You know, sure, turning 3.5 to 14K is great, but the habits that you've now instilled, you know, was it worth it? I mean, if we're talking dollars, 3.5 is a nice little starting capital. You know what these South African guys do? So they'll put in okay, jeez. At least it wasn't dollars. But the SA guys, they just put in like a couple thousand or whatever they're willing to risk on that particular trade, and they go balls to the wall. So they'll basically have like an account for every trade they take, and they'll risk the whole account. So it kind of justifies over risking when you know that, okay, like if you've got 100K and now you put in 2K into an account and you try and flip that account, like, okay, that's fine. I mean, if that's the way you want to approach it, I just believe that, you know, you should be trying to compound your account. That's where you're going to see real gains. I think it'll just mess with your head as well. Seeing like I mean, let's say you win, you know, 60% of your trades, but seeing like every third trade you blow your account, like that's just gonna hurt your feelings. Imagine. Okay, so we've got a nice bottom wick here on this 30 minutes. I will be looking to have buy stops on the break of highs here at 1849. 1849, 300, let's call it. Stops. Yeah, I would prefer to have stops on the 30-minute lows here for about 35 pips. I see you typing there, Jared. Okay, well let's just both put it in and see if we get the same results here. 35 pip stops. 1845, 800 will be my stop here. Targets, I'm looking to have runners into 1856. We do have a level to look out for at 1851, so that'll be my first target. Or maybe a break-even point, 1851. Jared, even if we both just put this in just to get some practice, eh? I need practice for sure. Yeah. Okay, like yeah, I'll try just practice and see, you know, how it goes, because I need to get used to it. So what? Yeah, you set the trends here or what? Dreadlocks, sheesh. No, never. Never. Uh, uh, yeah, let's also have a look at the 15. Yeah, I mean, even if it breaks below the previous 15, we'll monitor how this goes. Based off a 30 minutes, we've got that confirmation that we've closed above resistance. Yeah, look at DX, wow. DXY looks like it's forming support here. Oh shit. Shit. Yeah. Is there a way to turn off the sound for MetaTrader on your laptop? Just hold on. Fucking MetaTrader bullshit. Bottom right. No. No. Yeah. Just by the way, chat, looks like buy stops may get deleted here. Journal. I hate MetaTrader on a laptop with a passion. Do you? I just feel it's so it's so easy and convenient. Am I blind? No, I don't see anything. Untick the event. There we go. Lacquer. Okay, cool. Sorted. Yeah. Shot chat. Appreciate it. How do I delete this indicator? That's the next thing. Sorted. And then there's one thing. scale fix. I'm not a fan. Yeah, red and green on MetaTrader is solid. So let's have a look here. First of all, the grid needs to go. Bar up. Yo, chat. Not the best with colors, yeah. Shit. Okay. This light sea green looks nice. Hey, I'm just looking for red, bro. Wait. There we go, sorted. Lovely. Beautiful. Actually, I want to change the red though. I know there's I think it's salmon red or something like that. Hold on. Tomato. Yeah, these names are quite crazy, eh? Indian red, that's the one. Yeah, there we go. Oh, what's it now? Yeah. Task menu. Properties. Template. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Save template. Easy. I like how it hasn't broken the 30-minute lows. But yeah, 15-minute close back below 1847. It's a bit of a tricky one. Yeah, if it breaks that previous 30-minute low, I'll delete bar stops here. I'll give it another few minutes, but we're also coming close to the hourly candle closure. So may just end up deleting anyway. GJ just doing absolutely nothing. No thanks. Yeah, not for me, eh? Not for me. Hell no. I would rather skydive than bungee jump. I know it probably doesn't, but the thing is, like, nah, bungee jumping, I don't trust it. I just don't. Pardon me? Nico, didn't you hear that? He just pops out of nowhere and says, pussy. No ways. Took it easy. World record. Oh yeah, how was it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, chat. I'm gonna delete bar stops here. in a weird way. That is kind of weird. Hmm? I don't think it broke the low. Yeah, I never broke the low. It's just we're coming into the hourly candle closure, and it looks like we are going to close bearish here on the 30-minute. Back below 1847. Yeah, I'd rather wait and see the 9 o'clock candle open, see what happens. I said last night on the Discord and on my IG story. Is the current market structure forming a triple top? Arguably, yes. But there's more to the market than patterns. Also, you have to account for different time frames. So yeah, on the 30-minute, we had this previous 30-minute candle closing above resistance here. So in theory, with volume, we would anticipate this next candle to drive up and fill the rest of this range, because we have now broken out of this range. You see this range right here? We finally had a breakout. Okay. But we clearly just haven't had volume on this 30 minutes. We came down, possibly grabbed more liquidity, got a nice, I was going to say got a double bottom on the 1 minute, but not really. We are retesting this previous 5-minute resistance. And then your hourly looks like we will close above resistance here. So with the hourly, if we're closing above 1847, that's an even better confirmation now. So next hourly candle, we could be looking at having the same buy stops in. Yeah, this looks very good. It's just that there's 3 minutes left for for this candle here, so I would rather wait and see the new candle open. Because on our new hourly candle, we could potentially get a bottom wick. So just trying to avoid any unnecessary drawdown. We wait for the new hourly candle to open, wait for a bottom wick to form, and then I'll be placing my buy stops here on the break of the hours. That would be the ideal situation. Okay, I haven't set these buy stops just yet. I'm just getting this ready because this might be quite quick. Let's see, how do I actually set a buy stop on this? Wayne, mute yourself, bro. I'm just gonna mute the Discord for a bit. What the fuck? Wayne, Obek. Yeah, no, Fabio, I muted the guys. Oaks. No, you're not. 1849.2. Hold on, now I'm setting audio. Fuck, man. This shit pisses me off. I hate MetaTrader on the laptop. You can't pull a stop loss with the pending orders here. How do I modify? Okay, stop loss. Stop loss, I want it below previous 30-minute here. So 1845. Yeah. Something like that. Okay, there we go. So my buy stops have been set. Looks like we're about to get triggered in. Nah, Jared copied me. Yeah. Like 2 days ago. Shit sakes. So stops are... Shit. Stops are about 34 pips here. 35 pips. So I'm in. So entry 1849.3. Stops 1845.8. TP 1856. Oh shit. Andrew Tate. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Bro, I've still got hair. Yeah, that man's got lots of cars. No, they can't take the Bugatti. No, I think it's fake. Oh yeah, no, and look at the embroidery on the seats, bro. It literally says Tate. You can't fake that. Buying in gold is risky. Life is risky, my brother. Fuck. There's this Jim Rohn speech, man. You should go watch it. I'll have to find it for you. Yeah. Bean in here. Okay, chat, this might be a bit loud. Fuck, sorry. Guys need to watch this. No, it's Jim Rohn. Can you hear him? Oh, guys, I don't think... Chat, are you saying you can't hear the Discord the whole time? Hey, Novaz, why didn't you say so? Why would I just keep you guys muted? Speak? Yeah, there we go.
I wanted you to keep us muted so I could tell you something, and then you said you're placing an order like we were not muted.
No, bro, the audio was not set up properly. That's why you guys have been muted the whole time. I didn't purposely mute you the whole time. It was the audio was not set up.
So The YouTube hasn't heard us once.
Yes, yeah,
No,
so I seem
that's-
crazy.
They haven't heard. They haven't heard us for like an hour.
I've just
bro.
been talking to
Connor-
myself.
Connor's
you guys
lost
have been,
it.
we're not gonna ask Connor's first stream back. We're not gonna ask has he lost his shit over festive. We'll just see how it plays out.
I mean, no, that's very funny. Yeah.
Okay, nah, fuck that chat. Things happen.
I
At
really
least you
thought
know I'm
you
not
knew.
crazy.
I really thought you knew. That's why I didn't say anything about it.
Okay. This is for Subam.
Over caution.
Oh, shit.
But you can also be timid.
Wait.
Buying in gold
Risk
is
used to
risky,
drive me
okay,
right up
okay,
the
buddy.
wall.
I'll watch it.
This happens.
Okay, buddy.
It's called the language of happen. Look at the fix. I always ace myself
Uh-huh.
out.
Yeah.
It's all risky.
Did you look at the stuff I sent you, bro, on Instagram?
The minute you were born, it got risky.
You must go.
Listen,
There's
yeah.
one.
If you think trying is risky, wait till they hand you the bill for not trying. If you think investing is risky, wait till you get the tab for not investing. See, it's all risky. Getting married is risky. Having children is risky. Going into business is risky. Investing your money is risky. It's all risky.
It's all risky.
I'll tell you how risky life is. You're not going to get out alive. That's risky. The Englishman says, well, if that's the way it's going to work out, let's get...
Anyway, moral of the story is
It's real.
it's risky.
It's
It's a
hardcore,
game of risk. We put risk on the table in order to see a reward. So this trade personally ticks all my boxes. It would be more of a risk to not take this trade in the grand scheme of things. Even if it doesn't play out, it's worth the risk every day of the week.
This line there is like life is risky. You're not gonna make it out.
Yeah. You're gonna take losses, so if it ticks my boxes, I'm gonna take the trade. If it's a loss, that's just
It
the
is
probabilities. Once we break above 1850, yeah, we should see 1851 quite quickly. So once we break these wicks right here, as
There we go, there we go, there we go.
as I said, okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go break even right here. And first trade of the year, why don't we just secure partials right here?
What a lovely W.
Okay, so partials secured,
How many pips did you get there, Con?
25, let's call it.
Okay.
Buying gold is risky, but we like it.
Yeah, it's worth the risk, eh? Bro. So my stop loss is at entry.
You secure half there, bro.
Yeah, I secured half. And then TP. I'm gonna have it 1856. Bro.
Gonna have to say it's quite entertaining to watch you on this MetaTrader.
Shit's annoying me.
Do you know why? Because I was the exact same when I started doing it. That's why. I know this
was
struggle,
such a
bro.
good share.
Can I tell you what's the biggest fuck up I made on my MetaTrader, bro? I took my ask and bid price thingy. I took it out. So there was no line running across on my thing, and I couldn't figure out why my chart's looking so weird, bro. You know
Yeah.
how long you figure out that ask price is not running there? I was like, why can't I tell where the market is?
I
And
see.
then,
I see. I don't have the spread.
yes, that's what
Trading.
that's what's gone, bro. I lost both, and then I put one back, and then I don't know where the spread is. I can't find it, so I don't use it.
The two
I don't
lines.
even
Do you
use
want
the
the
spread.
Yeah, I like to have the
Yeah.
spread in.
I don't know if there is a spread on. Is there a spread on? Does a spread show, Wayne and Jared, on laptop?
Yeah,
Spread,
you,
spread.
you can
Maybe.
show. You want to see it on the left in your tab or on the screen, like the difference between your ask and your buy price?
Like the same as like on your phone, like if you see
Oh,
those
wait,
two.
wait. I think it is,
You
yeah.
can-
Just.
You can tick it on there where Connor is right now.
Connor, if you
Yeah.
go to the top left of your screen, right? You see there, it's press on XAUUSD.
Pardon? Yeah.
No, exit there. This is what I do.
Exit where, Jared?
Where you are.
Red
So you
cross in the top right.
click on XAUUSD, then go to ticks.
Oh, yeah. Hey, listen, I'm tired of fucking MetaTrader for today. That's enough MetaTrader.
Then go to ticks.
I'm done, bro. I'm done.
No.
No, Jared, I'm done. I'm done.
Wait, 2 seconds.
I'm
This is gonna
tired,
change
dude.
your
I'm
life.
tired of MetaTrader.
This is gonna change your life. So if you trust me, do this, and you're gonna be like, oh shit, that's so much better.
Okay. Ticks. Where's
Yes.
ticks?
It's underneath there, underneath that block. You've got symbol details, trading, and then ticks.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Click on it, and then
Yeah.
press
Press.
ticks. You've got symbol detail, trading, and
Yeah, I'm
ticks.
on ticks.
Here we go.
And now what?
And there's your spread. There's the buy and the sell.
What?
It's a ticker.
No, that
You
doesn't
can-
help me, dude.
No, you
Yeah,
can
that's
change it.
just-
Go where you were, and then you right click on gold, and you just go to the bottom. It says columns. And then you can just click, it gives you a lot of stuff, and you just click on spread, and then it will show you what the spread is on gold at the moment.
There we go.
And then you just click spread.
That's what I need to see.
I always watch the
that's good.
ticker.
Okay.
And you can delete some of those other ones there. You can untick them if you don't want them.
Hey, Connor,
Yeah.
you need to have rules set before next week, okay?
Sure.
Who's set for?
Me and Connor have to keep each other
that
accountable this year.
Nico behaves, bro.
Not just Nico, so Connor behaves too. Because we're gonna moor each other this year, let me tell you.
I do behave though.
You do behave like 95% more than me. But like there is that 5%, you feel?
95.
Yeah, I think now that I'm off the funded, it's a lot better.
It's not going away because you've got the charts open. Connor.
Connor, yeah. But I saw that lot you use on gold, and you can't tell me that is fair.
It
We
is.
didn't. Yeah, let's just leave it. Rules are there Monday. Then we're gonna fight. For now, we leave it.
This is the risk
Yeah.
I'm comfortable using.
Connor? Mm-mm.
No, Nico.
No, Connor. No,
Nico,
Connor. Based
I'm
on
gonna
no.
mute you.
Fuck, no. I don't give a fuck. Based on what we.
On the 1 minute, yeah, we formed support. In and around 1851. So let's see, we've got still got like 45 minutes until London Open. 15-minute close below this level at 1851. But overall looks pretty good, yeah. We do have a nice vantage point, sitting at about 20 pips of profit. Already secured some profit, risk-free trade.
Why do you guys think men can't fight like this? We shout at each other and then it's basically done. If you carry on fighting after that, it's pretty fucking pointless.
No, we just raving, eh?
Yeah, no, it's nice to have someone there to keep you accountable.
What guys don't understand is like, even though he's like defended himself against me shitting on him, and he doesn't find what I said valid, he's gonna think about it and he's gonna question it now once or twice. And if he still agrees that he's fine with it, then he knows he's fine with it. If he thinks about it and he's not fine with it, then he knows like, listen, maybe I should have lowered a bit here or done this or whatever. I'm just there to make him think twice about it. And if he agrees with it on the second time, then he was right. I was wrong. If he doesn't, then I made him think about it twice for a reason.
You're planting that seed.
That's literally all it is.
I see old Chad joined the live call, eh?
Nico, did you get the empty? Nah,
Sup,
Carl
kid?
doesn't get his stuff, and my mate doesn't want to give his stuff because, like, if he does, like, send it and it like resets the password, he can't get in or something like that. So he says because he doesn't know the password, he can't give it, something like that. But he was willing to.
So yeah, here's all the history for this account. Deposited on the 21st of November. And then again on the 24th. I haven't taken any withdrawals yet. But all in all, looks pretty good.
Sheesh. I think you must set up your magic keys there.
Yeah, it's here.
Because that's gonna make it so much easier to place the orders and this and that.
It's also gonna help me closing half, because I don't even think you can close half here on the desktop MetaTrader.
No, you can.
Can you?
No, you modify the position.
Allow algo trading.
Yes.
And then
then you see your magic keys in the navigator to the left.
yeah.
Grab that and drop it onto the screen, and then so it's already on, then the top right corner you must double click that. Okay, so drag and drop, allow that.
Ooh,
Then
look at that.
It says common, you allow algo trading, then say okay. And then there we go. Perfect.
Let's see.
I also need to get that thing. That looks sick.
Robbie says, bro, an honest answer. Is it really possible to make serious money trading? As I see these funded traders saying making 100 to 500k. Can't believe a trader makes more than a doctor's salary. Like there's a video which says blah 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 blah. You know what? The money that you can make from trading, I believe that there may be limitations in terms of like brokers. If you're trading like $1 billion account, I don't think you're gonna be trading on MetaTrader. But in theory, the money you can make from trading is actually like infinite.
Roger's a good example. Roger had $50,000 and he grew that to what, like $7 million or something over 2 years.
All live on YouTube. So,
All live on YouTube. So everyone who says bullshit can go fuck themselves. Simple as
but the thing is, it also, you can't limit yourself and say like a trader will never make more than a doctor or vice versa.
The thing is, it's completely different realms of money making. A doctor is selling their time, regardless of the fact that it's a high-paying job. I know with trading, we still have to be active, you know, we still have to be at the chart for 2 hours, but the money you make is not based off the time spent. It completely breaks all ideas and beliefs of what you probably have right now of money. You're not limited in trading. a doctor only has 24 hours in a day. As a trader,
It depends. Like,
you know, you build yourself up, and then, you know, in a good few years, your 1 day's worth of work, which is 2 hours, you're gonna be making a doctor's salary in the morning before you have breakfast. You know what I mean? Roger does
I'm
it.
sorry.
Roger
I'm
does
sorry.
it.
I'm not. The last comment just threw me off a bit.
The thing is, as well, he's making somebody's yearly salary in a trade.
No, but now this Robbie guy is saying, what if it's not true? What if it's just Roger? Like, they're trying to get people to like be scammed by Roger, seeing it as real, you know? But then it's not actually him doing it really. It's just him like posting it and showing that, but it's not actually him making the money. It's like a scam.
The thing is, why would he do that? Like, if he's doing
How
it
would he buy a
literally
Ferrari?
live on YouTube, how on earth is he doing that? You can't fake live trades. For example, the trade you saw now, anybody could have taken. I mean, we could have sold there and lost. Like, it's live. It's not like we're gonna somehow, after the stream, say, oh yeah, we took this, we took that, here's screenshots. No, it was taken live with you guys. So, how could you possibly fake that? You know, like, the results you see on Connor's screen are all live. They were trades taken. You can't
Bro,
fake something like
the
that.
best way to make it better for someone like Robbie that doubts it, why don't you put money in, go follow whoever you want to follow, make a couple of trades, and then make money more than you deposited, and then just press withdraw. And when you get more money than you put in, if that doesn't answer your question as if it's real or not, then I don't know.
No, Robbie, come watch the stream for the next few days or the next couple weeks, and see what we're doing here.
You know what? Actually, how we can explain it, Robbie, bro. If you have wait, I don't even know where he's from. Let's say $100 in an account, you can't expect to make $1 million. Like, that's like, no. But if you have $1 million in an account, you can expect to make $1 million over time, like quite comfortably. So like, it just depends how you're on your account size as well, because we're doing it based off like a certain percent risk that we all choose to risk. So if you want to blow your account on a mil, you put the mil, you can make the mil overnight, or you can make it in 6 months. It literally depends on how much money you want to lose or risk or whatever.
No, we're not tuning, Robbie. We're just trying to say that, yeah, it is legit. Like, you can make money trading. A lot of people, I think, who say that they make money trading on social media probably don't. But, you know, when you have someone like Roger Banks who's doing things in front of your eyes, a lot of people also comment on the fact that he's got his own broker and they say it's scam, whatever. But, I mean, the guy's been doing it in front of our eyes for years. And regardless of if you doubt him or not, he's making money anyway. And he is putting things out here, just like me. Okay, I'm sure along the line somewhere, someone is gonna doubt what I'm doing. But that's never gonna affect me. I'm gonna continue to make money trading. And the stuff I'm putting out here is to help other people to become consistent as well. Because yeah, I'm doing it consistently. Alright? Deposited 3,000, deposited 6,000, alright? Now this account is sitting on 12,000.
So it's flipped basically. In how long, Connor?
21st of November was the first deposit, so
yes,
yeah,
on my
just
birthday. No
less
wonder
than
you
2
make
months.
money.
Must
No wonder
be.
you make money. Must be. I gave you some good luck, boss. Yes, look at those blues, Connor. Ah, sexy. I couldn't see because I'm blind, but then I went closer and saw.
And I mean, the whole of last year on stream, every month was a profitable month. There were a couple losing weeks, but at the end of every month, if you had taken every single trade, you would have made money every single month.
And when, just to speak about magic keys, if you do want to get a set, I would really recommend getting the on-screen version. It's a lot cheaper. I think it's like 500 Rand.
Yeah.
and then it's always with you. Where now, if I take my laptop, I've got it on screen wherever I am, but the physical version, it's always a schlep to carry it around. So I much prefer the on-screen version. It's a lot cheaper as well. So
We're not getting upset, Robbie. It's just how we speak, bro. That's all. Fuck, yeah.
Nah, personally, the only person I've seen making that kind of money who I actually believe is Roger.
Bro, like, and I don't know if Robbie's meaning that he only takes like, we only took a few live trades. Like, I don't know if he's meaning like he only takes 1 to 2 trades because that's what you know, or if he's just meaning like Roger doesn't trade live that much, you know. So I'm not sure.
He's also saying he's been a bit shady, but the thing is, I think he's just too consistent to be
Bro,
up to anything
I
shady.
think he's just. I don't know how to say this in a nice way, but I just think he's being like. I don't know how to say this in a nice way, but he's being a dick, bro, because the money's got into his ego, and now his ego is growing from the Roger we knew and learned from. His ego's gone past that now by quite a lot, seeing that he's made money. That's why we think he's shady, and that's why we think he's like, whatever. It's a different Roger now because he's on a different level, I suppose. I don't know, but he is. It's not the same Roger, bro. I'm sorry, it's not.
Also, one thing I've learned is, so you see with Andrew Tate, he says a lot of controversial things, and that's how his following picked up so quickly. So if you listen to Roger Banks now, he does say like some controversial things. His statements he makes are very solid. He has his opinions and he sticks to them, and that's, I think you need to be that way if you want to make progress for yourself. And forget about what everyone else says. Develop your opinions, see what works for you. I don't know how
That's
else to put that, but
that's exactly what I think happened, Connor. I think Roger's just so tired of speaking and explaining everything to everyone. He's just said, you know what, fuck it. I'll make my money. I'm happy. I'm gonna do
Yeah.
me. If you wanna watch. If you don't, leave. And I think that's the attitude he has now. Connor, did that close with the top week or not?
yeah, I did.
I
But
think
yeah,
that's all
one
it's-
of the things with having such strong opinions is you do develop haters or whatever you want to call them, people who doubt
Yeah.
you. That's why Andrew Tate has so many haters. He has very strong opinions, but look how fast it's made him grow. So I think Roger Banks, I mean, the fact that he's bought a Ferrari now, I think he maybe is chasing a bit of clout. I don't know. I'm not
Maybe
tuning
that
him
was
or
some
anything.
tax
Like,
money, bro. You know what I mean?
that's great. He's pretty much accomplished everything he could want. So hats off to him. I mean, fuck, get that clout. Why not?
I mean, fuck, bro, $50,000. Hey, I'll take that any day of the week, hey? 2 years is all I'm gonna commit of my life to make my 50,000 going to, like, I don't know what he made, like over 7 mil so far.
Well, at that rate, I reckon I could turn this 10,000 to, well, 6,000 actually, to, I don't know, like a mil in 2 years.
Yeah, I was
I think
thinking the
it's
same
possible.
number. A mil in 2 years, I was thinking the same number.
Really
I
think
just-
it's possible.
The thing is, Raja, I don't know, I haven't really worked out, is his risk found for his accounts? Does he use like proper risk? Like,
He uses a little bit bigger than 1%. Sometimes he's risking like 2-3%. But then
so it's nothing hectic. It's not like he's risking like 10+% sometimes or something. It's just
nothing
a
like
little
that,
bit.
no.
That's
But I mean, he manages risk
what it
extremely
is.
aggressively.
I've
Yeah.
never seen someone with
He
100
never
lots make it
loses. He never
2,000
loses 2% ever.
Yeah.
ever.
Bro, that man will
Yeah.
lose less than, oh my word, Chad, look at that. Amazing.
I'm gonna close another bid here.
I just hit TP at
I will.
1856.
Oh, we actually did. Shit.
Beautiful.
What
TP
you
for
did?
the win, boys.
First trade for the year, and we've hit TP. Let's see, how big was this?
Let's get another W spam for that TP smash round thing.
Like 72 pips?
Oh no, that was just very fast.
70. It was 9. So that was 67 pips.
I don't know. I just haven't seen that oak that said buying gold's risky. He's been
Yeah,
gone
67 pips.
bro.
Come on,
can I-
boys. We can get the likes up there in the chat. Come on, chat.
Do you know? Do you know what pissed me off this morning? As I open your stream and come in, bro, I just see. So, what do you think about SMC? I was like, oh, you're starting the year off.
Really, really.
I was
Yeah.
like, no.
Beautiful trade, yeah.
7.6%.
TP smash, boys.
Yeah,
Love
first trader,
it.
yeah, TP smash.
Connor on MT4, our MT5, on MetaTrader on the laptop, you smashed the TP for the first trade for the year.
Dude, that's
Huh?
young bit of swag, eh?
I'm calling it a year, yeah. So yeah.
I just made
Yes,
my yearly salary. Nah, jokes.
100% win rate in 2023. 2024 is going to be huge.
It's
But...
no. Let's not say these things.
I'll see you guys in February.
But like no
Yeah.
jokes, there are people who just made someone's yearly salary on that trade.
Oh, 100%.
Especially on that jump. Like that shit is like lots of money, bro.
Usually after those spikes like that, you're gonna get a fallback. But if you sell now,
Yeah.
you're stupid.
Yeah, I wouldn't jump into a sell.
Shit. Now you guys tell me.
Opened this just after 9, 2 minutes past 9.
Yeah.
Date is the 4th.
Jared, you know what I did, bro, while I was there in Jersey, dude?
Yeah.
I went to Johannesburg Zoo, bro. So fucking sick, bro. I've never been to a zoo like that. I had such a blast. I won't lie.
Apparently the Joburg one's flipping awesome, but the Pretoria one is depressing.
Apparently the Pretoria one's better, bro.
The
It's
Pretoria,
bigger
I've
and
been
more
there.
looked after.
No, dude, I've been to the Pretoria one and it's pretty depressing, dude. Like some of the animals you can see aren't like
Okay, now, well, fuck, bro. I'm glad I never went to that one. I went to Johannesburg one. And
The
bro,
Pretoria one is dodge, bro.
Wayne,
Just
have you
say-
been to Joburg one?
I haven't actually. I need to go there, bro.
If you take your kids, dog, all I'm telling you is hire a golf cart and go early
Yes.
because the golf carts get hired out. But Wayne, unless you some fucking strong oak that I don't know that can carry your kids through that entire walk, then cool. You don't have to get a golf cart. But I got tired walking alone, so I couldn't imagine having my son with me and carrying him still. Yeah, I'm not saying they're gonna want you to carry them, but it's too much to walk for a child.
Yeah.
So,
With the Pretoria one, it's also not in the best location, so it's not like it's a go to. I went
You
there
know-
with Justin.
oh, okay, that's sick. Yeah. I wish I had shit. I don't know. I don't care. I wish I smoked before I went to just to blown out, bro. Because like
Oh,
that zoo is so big. I got tired. I'm telling you, if I just had something to make the lungs fresh, I would have been hundreds, bro. Like, and you know what's nice? It's like it's so big that there's like a park, like a few parks inside, so you can go sit and have a picnic if you want or whatever with the family. Like that's what's nice. For sure. Yeah, but I was zoo in East London. Wow. 45 minutes and I've walked through the entire zoo and fed every animal at least twice. So
Jared, do you think it's fair to add this to the signals,
I already have it.
to the record?
after
I think so.
Yeah.
Really think so.
So yeah, just a little bit of a teaser. Working on a membership group here with signals. So this is not available yet. We're just running through some
trial and errors.
trial and error, yeah. It's a trial run. But yeah, we've got signals available. So GJ and
Yeah.
Gold. And then there's a few different channels here. So we've got the London session breakdowns for members. So there will be a member, signal member, and then premium will be signals and membership. So for the members, you'll have access to these breakdowns trade reviews, weekly breakdowns, fundamentals, and so forth. So a little bit more value, a little bit more hands-on, and like I say, the signals. I'm sure some of you guys will love that.
And with this,
Solid.
the reason it's not ready yet is because we want to iron out all the kinks on the live market before we give it to you guys. So we want you guys to join. It's as streamlined as possible. We don't still want clunkiness and this and that. So we're going to be testing throughout January. And then as well, when you guys do join, you can actually see there's content there. And if it vibes with you, it vibes with you. Then you can obviously stay. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed in favor, I'll definitely let you know more about it.
Yeah, obviously we just want to make sure everything is running smoothly before we roll it out, because it will be a paid service. So we want to make sure that it's up to par.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
yeah, I
I'm
mean
actually-
that's the day. It's 20 minutes till London Open here. GJ could still present some opportunities if we break out of this range. Otherwise, I'm pretty much done for the day.
An hour and a half in there.
I would be
That's-
careful here on GJ, 4-hour no top wick. So we could still come up and create that top wick. Maybe London Open liquidity grab, but you want to see us break out of this range to be taking trades.
As well, just to speak a little bit more about the teaser, we do have myself and Connor, we're going to be a bit more hands-on for New York as well. So obviously we're going to be doing analysis for New York. We're going to be very active throughout the day. So it's not just going to be a London session. So hopefully that'll help you guys a bit more coming into New York, which will be quite cool.
Yeah, what we'll do is we'll send through trade or a breakdown with trade ideas pre-New York,
Signals.
and then there obviously will be the signals. So if any of those breakdowns play out, then we'll be providing the signal for how we would enter the trade, obviously.
I think you can also show them the whole idea of the analysis this morning, if you want to, Con.
Yeah, so yeah, we have the London breakdowns. Yesterday, was this yesterday? Oh, no, sorry. Yesterday we
yesterday
posted the
was on the
London breakdowns in the weekly
breakdown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, those breakdowns played out quite nicely here for gold, very nicely. GJ also spot on. Jared did those breakdowns yesterday. And then yeah, this morning, this is what we were looking at. So bars above that resistance there. And then these were the trade ideas sent. So obviously not everyone has the time to be looking for or watching the stream. So you know, if you can work based off these breakdowns, you'll find some really nice trade ideas. Plus obviously you'll be learning along the way, because you have the reasoning for why these trades are being taken. And then one thing I actually want to do is also with the signals, be putting through these breakdowns afterwards. So the guys who just have signal memberships, they're seeing the reasoning for taking that trade, and they can also see or find a bit more value in it than just a signal. You know, I think most signal groups, there's not much to it. It's just the signal, and then you don't really learn anything from it. You don't understand the reason for taking the trade. So we want to also, after signals being given, give a reason for why that signal's been taken. So guys who are just paying for signals do have a bit more value than just a entry TP stop loss.
The thing is, as well, there's two lines we're going down with the signal. We understand that a lot of people don't have the time to do it and still want to trade, so they can get involved. But the other point is we want to show you guys absolutely everything from the analysis to the planning to the trade to the management, to the education behind it. So in a few months, you are able to go out and do it on your own. I think that's going to be one of the biggest selling points, is we want you guys to know exactly everything behind the positions, why we took it, just everything, so you guys can go out and do it on your own. And then also watch the live streams and see exactly how we do it. You can send the breakdowns, analysis. So huge emphasis on the education of it.
Yeah, it's not going to be your regular signal group, that's for sure. But yeah, anyway, just want to let you guys know about that. So keep an eye out. But it will most probably be ready by Feb.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, other than that, that's the day. That's me.
Yeah. So what's going to be nice about it is, even though we finish the stream, let's say now, we're still going to be on the Discord helping you guys and assisting all the way through to the end of New York. So it'll also be really cool. I think will benefit you guys tenfold.
Check gold. Just pushing, man. It's crazy.
Jeez,
But I mean, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't have held further than that. So
yeah.
very happy with that trade. 67 pips in the bag. Cool, guys.
Did
Thank
you
you so
guys-
much for joining today. Yeah,
It's,
happy New Year.
What?
Yeah,
After stream, would you mind staying on DC for a while?
sure.
Chat. Would you guys recommend Smart Roger concepts? Fuck Smart Roger concepts.
Smart corner
Roger,
concept.
go to the shit. No, I'm just kidding. All to their own, it's got a lot of value. If you vibe with Roger, definitely go ahead and do it.
Nah,
Smart
nah.
corner concept.
Just keep an eye out for the Monster Money memberships. We'll be ready in Feb. That's gonna be amazing. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Cheers, everybody.
You guys have a good one. Thank you for joining today, guys.